Trützschler is a family-owned company. We are active in the textile market since 1888, so a traditional German machine manufacturer. We are active in India since 45 years. India plays an important and strategic role for the development of Trützschler's group. So we are active here. We have more than 1,000 people here in our manufacturing site in Ahmedabad. And since 25 years we are producing here one of our absolute core machines, which is the card you see here. We are developing it further. We are customizing our products for this market because it's a real, extremely important market for the global textile industry. So we are very happy and proud to be part of this development of India. We are here and we will stay here. Well, the show is extremely well. I think everybody was happy to meet face to face again after such a long time of the COVID time. So people are gathering together, we are meeting friends, we are meeting business partners, and we have since basically the first day an overwhelming number of visitors, of interesting people wanted to see our technologies, and from India, from Bangladesh. So we are happy to be here to show our novelties here. Trützschler is active in 4 business areas: spinning, nonwovens, man-made fibers and card clothing. All machines produced here in India. So we have carding machines here in different working width, 1 meter, 1.28 meters. We have the combing machine here, which is the newest member of our family, and we have draw frames. So all for the spinning, and we have our carpet business unit here for the production of carpet filaments. We have all our innovations here. We are very glad to share it with the customers here, with the visitors here, and we are looking forward. We have now half time of the exhibition. We have 3 more days to go, and we are very happy to continue here with you.